Thank you for purchasing JT Total Wi-Fi. Installing JT Total Wi-Fi couldn't be simpler, but it's important that you follow these simple steps. You should have at least 2 JT Total Wi-Fi pods, plus a network cable. If you take a look under the pod, you will see it has 2 network ports. You will plug the network cable into one of these ports on your main pod later. Only one network cable is supplied, as the other pod will be connecting wirelessly. If you haven't already done so, click on the Reset Password button in the email that you received when you signed up for JT Total Wi-Fi. To begin, you need to install the HomePass app on your phone or tablet, which will guide you through your installation. Go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search HomePass. Click the app named HomePass by Plume and download it. Once installed, open the app and choose the option to sign in, and not the Set Up Plume button. Use the email you chose when you signed up for JT Total Wi-Fi. This can take up to 3 minutes, and once complete, the app will guide you through the next steps. Next, you'll need to install your first pod. This must be installed close to your router, as you will need to connect the network cable to it to enable it to work. Plug the pod in, then connect the network cable into the port, and plug the other end into the network port on the router. Once complete, turn the power socket on. Now, go back to your HomePass app and click the Next button. It may take a few minutes for the app to locate your first pod. You'll then be asked to choose your Wi-Fi name and password. You can use the same name and password as your current router, so all devices in your home automatically connect to your new JT Total Wi-Fi network. Make sure you turn off your router's built-in Wi-Fi, or it will interfere with the JT Total Wi-Fi system. Please note that some routers turn the built-in Wi-Fi back on after a power cut, so make sure to turn it off again if this happens. Next, you'll be asked to connect additional pods. Simply plug them into other sockets around your home and then turn them on. Be careful not to plug them too far away from each other, as this will slow your network down. The app will tell you how well it's connected, and, if necessary, you can unplug it and move it closer. You'll also get the option to name your pods, and we recommend naming them by the rooms they're in, so you can easily tell if any need to be moved closer to your main pod. Over the next 24 hours, your new JT Total Wi-Fi network will optimize to deliver the best performance for the devices in your home. You have now successfully installed your new Wi-Fi. Now take some time to look around the app to make the most from all the features, such as creating profiles for everyone in your household, protecting devices from hacking and pop-up ads, and set up parental controls. If you experience any problems during this setup and you need us to help you, please use the contact details on screen.